The most famous classic. I pull on Margiela my shoes, yeah. If you step on them, ooh, I get to the wrecking with you, my shooters they hit from the roof, yeah.
What's up, y'all? It's Kato, and yeah, I'm bald. We'll talk about that later. Today, I'm about to go and dye my girl's hair, so I'm gonna just jump right into that. We got a RV, 6RV, and a 5VR, if y'all know what that is. I don't even know, but we're about to jump right into this and see how it goes. This is what we're working with. Got our trusty bowl over here. You already know what it is. And we about to get it cracking. Alright, I'm gonna get cracking.
And we're just getting started.
That was random, I rolled it right to that line. Because I expected that to be darker, now it's not as dark as I thought it was going to be, but I sent you pictures of both, so it doesn't make sense that it's going to stay light because it's a 6. That's dark. That's like the color of your roots. It doesn't make sense that a 6 could be lighter than that. So I'm questioning why I see baby pink right now. That's what I'm not understanding here. Alright, so we just processing. So I'm gonna tell you what we have on there. Let's just see how this goes. Alright, so what I just did was mix that 5VR. Y'all see that? That 5VR with some Matrix 10 developer. And we put that in on the roots. And then we took like a little, like 1 ounce. We took like a little quarter of the bottle. We put that 10 developer back in there. And then we put in, where's that bottle? It's all ripped up because I wanted to read all the hazards on the inside. But we put it in that 6VR on the ends. And this is what's popping right now. We're just processing right now. And then I'm gonna hit you guys right back up when this is washed out. Alright, don't mind me, I'm at school. I kind of didn't really have time to film my outro yesterday, but it came out way better than I expected it. So if y'all want to see me do some more hair videos, just hit that like and subscribe. Leave a comment below what's your favorite hair color if you really like my video or whatever it is, and I'll be sure I get back with you guys with more videos ASAP. Alright? Peace out. Until next time, guys.
Wow, dripping, sauce. Said that I walk on the wall, leaning, wow. Be what you sipping, huh? Post up, out front. See all my goals in the yard. What you want? You ain't want no from my squad. Double up. Be what you got in your cup. Load that.